In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email alias within Google Workspace. This process should only take about 5 minutes, and it's a simple yet effective way to manage additional email addresses for your account, whether you need it for managing different roles or communicating under various personas without creating a separate mailbox each time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by entering the URL for Google Workspace into your browser. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the admin console. This is where we have access to all the administrative settings and options that Google Workspace offers. After that, it's time to log in using your business email. Make sure that you have the necessary administrative privileges to proceed, as you'll need these to manage user settings. Once you've successfully logged in, look for the Google Apps menu, which is typically located at the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a range of apps that you can access. Now, select the admin icon. This will take you directly to the admin section where you can manage your organization's settings and user profiles. The next step is to head over to the directory. You can find this by following the link or navigating through the admin console's options. Once in the directory, click on Users. This section lists all the users associated with your organization. From this users page, find the account profile for which you wish to set up an email alias. Click on it to open up the details for that specific user. Within the account profile, you'll see an option that says Add Alternate Emails. This is where you can specify the email aliases you want to create. Enter the desired alternate email address that you want to use as an alias. It's important to ensure that this email follows the format rules defined by your organization and doesn't clash with any existing accounts. After typing in the alternate email, simply click on Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email alias within Google Workspace. This new alias allows you to manage emails sent to this address without having to juggle multiple inboxes. If you ever need to remove or add additional aliases, you can return to this section and modify as needed. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Feel free to explore the other features within Google Workspace's admin console to further streamline your email management. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.